Are you tired of searching for an airbrush setup that actually delivers clean lines without breaking the bank? If you want something reliable for hobby painting, makeup artistry, or custom detailing, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to be going over the best airbrush kits that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Master Airbrush Cool Runner. From the moment you unbox the Cool Runner II, its rugged shell communicates professional intent, immediately appealing to hobbyists and professional artists. Its compact size, rounded corners, and balanced weight distribution ensure comfortable handling during extended sessions for long design work. The chassis uses a premium brushed aluminum shell that resists fingerprints and flex, reinforcing durability under studio conditions. It features a precision nozzle set and adjustable fluid control to tailor flow for fine lines or broad coverage. A robust aluminum core with an integrated LED indicator ring reduces vibration and increases spray stability, directly improving consistency during long painting sessions. The unit excels in technical flexibility with a micro-adjustable fluid control and needle variations enabling fine lines and broad fills. In performance tests, it maintains steady spray across 1 to 10 inches distance while preserving color depth and edge sharpness. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight reduce fatigue, enabling longer sessions with precise control and fewer hand cramp breaks. An efficient airflow path keeps the nozzle cool and stable, supporting reliable performance during extended spraying sessions without overheating. A direct comparison with the Iwata Neo Pro suggests faster setup and notably quieter operation on the Cool Runner. The pros include robust aerospace-grade aluminum construction, versatile nozzle options for precision, and ergonomic grip that minimizes fatigue over long sessions. The cons include higher price and heavier weight relative to entry-level models. Continuing evaluation shows stable gradient blending across multiple layers, maintaining color fidelity, and avoiding ghosting even during complex transitions. For professionals and serious hobbyists seeking reliable precision and durable construction, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner II delivers strong value. At number 4, we have the Airbrush Airbrush Kit. From unboxing, the kit exudes a careful balance of accessible features and professional cues, signaling suitability for hobbyists and enthusiasts. Its compact chrome chassis keeps weight manageable, roughly 2.4 pounds, which translates to reduced fatigue during longer sessions. The housing uses aircraft-grade aluminum alloys with a precise fit between components, reducing wobble and imparting a premium, durable feel. Its dimensions stay compact enough to tuck into a small workstation while offering a sizable reservoir for longer sessions. The design strategically places the trigger, cup, and air inlet for intuitive operation without hindering visibility of the artwork. The dual-action trigger delivers precise control, letting beginners ramp up gradually while advanced users dial in fine mist over delicate surfaces. A quick swap-out nozzle kit and adjustable airflow ensure compatibility with a range of paints from acrylics to enamels. It ships with a stainless steel air hose, rubberized cup, and interchangeable nozzle heads for versatile technique development. An integrated pressure regulator ranges from 15 to 28 psi, allowing exact control for feathered lines and bold fills. During hands-on testing, the kit delivered consistent spray patterns with minimal overspray across multiple paint viscosities at various angles. In practical projects like miniature figures and models, the finish appeared smooth and uniform under varied lighting conditions. Setup time was quick thanks to the clear manual and color-coded parts, minimizing downtime between color changes. When stacked against a popular entry-level unit from a rival brand, this kit offers noticeably finer atomization and quieter operation. The pros include excellent spray consistency for fine lines, compact design that fits tight desks, and easy cleanup after sessions. The cons include limited color cup capacity that requires frequent refills and a mid-range price point that may challenge budget buyers. At number 3, we have the Airbrush Airbrush Kit, a versatile tool blending precision with beginner-friendly setup for compact studios. From the click of the trigger to the even spray, it immediately signals suitability for hobbyists, DIY decorators, and aspiring artists. Weighing about 4 pounds, this kit maintains a surprisingly compact balance between portability and robust chassis, ideal for mobile setups. The target audience ranges from beginner crafters to seasoned muralists seeking reliable spray control without overwhelming complexity in practice. The aluminum body feels sturdy yet light, with precise machining around the trigger and handle that minimizes fatigue during prolonged sessions. Its ergonomic grip design promotes natural wrist alignment, reducing strain during extended sessions while offering tactile feedback that improves line consistency. Despite its capabilities, the footprint remains compact, occupying minimal bench space and allowing easy storage inside a standard art cart. The kit ships with a precise 0.3mm nozzle included, delivering fine lines for detailed work and broader coverage when adjusted. A flexible air pressure range from 15 to 40 psi empowers delicate shading and bold fills, accommodating both airbrush beginners and pros. Standout features include a built-in color cup, quick-release nozzle, and a dependable gravity feed option that enhances spill resistance. In real-world testing, it delivers smooth gradients from airy washes to crisp lines with predictable flow across a wide pressure spectrum. During field trials, cleanup proved quick thanks to compatible detachable cups and accessible parts, reducing downtime between color switches. In head-to-head testing against the Badger Patriot 105, the Airbrush Airbrush Kit offers finer control at a similar price. The pros include exceptional value for money, exceptionally smooth adjustable spray experience, and durable high-quality metal build for lasting performance. The cons include higher price compared to basic kits and limited included accessories, which may require additional purchases for complete versatility. At number 2, we have the Master Airbrush Cool Runner II. From the moment you unbox, this kit conveys a professional intent and a user-friendly philosophy aimed at varied artists. Its chassis blends brushed aluminum with reinforced polymer for durability, and the setup feels balanced, reliable, and surprisingly comfortable during long sessions. Despite a compact footprint, the unit maintains a substantial presence, providing stability without sacrificing portability or triggering wrist fatigue risks. The design prioritizes an ergonomic grip and accessible controls, allowing quick adjustments without interrupting airflow or precision during delicate color work. Overall dimensions bring a compact profile suitable for tight workspaces, while internal channels keep heat dissipation steady during extended use. Also, the quick-release cup system reduces downtime between colors, enabling more continuous work and less messy cleanup. The heart is a precise 0.4mm nozzle, feeding a consistent airstream for fine lines versus broad fills. Interchangeable air caps and color-coded cups simplify setup, while a sealed reservoir reduces paint spatter during ambitious mural sessions. Calibration guides and a clear vertical panel help verify spray consistency before committing to a critical color blend. In real-world testing, it demonstrated steady airflow across PSI ranges, delivering reliable atomization from microlines to broader fills. The device maintained color saturation and edge definition even with heavy paints, though some lighter hues required gentle nozzle adjustment. Long-term reliability emerged through consistent spray patterns and minimal clogging during week-long projects, confirming production-grade stability. Compared to Iwata Neo CN, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner E offers better valve control and a more ergonomic handle. The pros include strong build, long battery life, and sleek ergonomic design that together boost comfort and reduce fatigue over long projects. The cons include higher price and bulky design that may hinder portability, alongside a learning curve for users new to airbrushing. At number 1, we have the Roizefar Airbrush Kit. From the unboxing experience to its feature set, this kit instantly signals suitability for hobbyists upgrading to serious precision art and model painting. It clearly targets artists, crafters, and model builders seeking dependable spray control, straightforward setup, and consistent results across a range of finishes. The unboxing reveals thoughtful packaging, with clearly labeled components and protective fittings that set an expectation of reliable long-term use. Its accessories include hoses, nozzles, and cleaning tools, all tucked into a compact carrier that simplifies transport and storage. Its dimensions measure roughly 7 by 5 inches, making it compact enough for a crowded desk or shelf. The aluminum housing resists dings, and the nozzle guard shields precision work while keeping air pads clean under tough work conditions. The kit includes a precision air regulator and a high-capacity moisture trap that minimizes flare and ensures smooth operation. A 0.3mm nozzle option is included, enabling fine lines and smooth gradients suitable for miniatures and airbrush benefits across varied surfaces. The kit also ships with gravity feed bottle sets and a cleaning brush, making post-session cleanup reasonably painless. In our hands, the Roizefar maintains steady spray from low to mid-pressure, delivering consistent bead sizes across materials. During long sessions, the cooling design kept the unit comfortable and prevented heat buildup that could affect performance. Compared to standard entry kits, the Roizefar showed crisper gradients and less tip dry during extended miniatures painting. When stacked against the rival Zalgo Pro Airbrush Kit, Roizefar delivers better value without sacrificing core performance. The pros include excellent value for money, solid build quality, and comes with essential accessories. The cons include higher price and heavier weight.